Hi, Rakil. So, how was your day? Where did you long? That's the question. Long is a good idea, but where did you long? Here, where? If you long here, then it's a bad idea. What's your level for long? Just tell that. 167. Oh, I mean, it's TK, no problem. Slightly lower would have been much better, right? 166 would have been much better, but 167 is also no problem. Hi, Bipina. What you trade? Closed already. So there is an opportunity again to go long. Okay, $85. Great. There is an opportunity again to go long, but I'm just waiting for a few candles to close above this blue line. Okay, because this is a very important line. This is the overall day average price with volume mapped. Okay, so if it doesn't cross the same speed of this will happen. Okay. See, after BTC crossed the same blue line, it just pumped, right? See this. Immediately after BTC crossed this line, six candle it rejected. One, two, three, four, five. Then it just pumped. But Ethereum it is still struggling at 44 EMA. It gave a spike and came back. Still struggling at 44 EMA. Solana is now at the volume weighted price. Close my trade at 168 and good, good. So either we go long above this blue line or we short if the price starts coming down. Right now, nothing is there. No trade is there right now. Bro, we have to see the candle formation now, right? It is very close to go for a bigger long also. But then it will take some time also, right? Let's see. We might take the daily high feel. Gotta go relocate my goats to new farm. So I'm gonna check later. Cool. In daily chart, we are making rounding top. Daily chart, we are making a rounding top. See, this is a rounding top, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days here. Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 days of up, One, two, three, four, five. 4 days of down, then this. So in daily, we are making a rounding top. In weekly, we're just below the doji. So if you see weekly chart, yes, last time was a doji and we're just below the doji. So above the doji becomes a buy. Okay. It is very unclear. Market is trapping whom today? It is trapping buyers or it is trapping sellers? It's so unclear today. In hourly time frame, it just broke out one resistance but is still sitting at multiple resistance. So basically 167.90 was our target, okay, which we have already achieved. 167.90. The momentum is strong, so you cannot sell. Okay. I think we will take some pullback. There will be some pullback. But not that. See, now this level is a decider level, which is 167. Okay, it's just half cents up. If it start falling below 167, we'll see some pullback. If we close above this blue line, then again it's gonna up. Big momentum on the upside. Yeah, Bollinger Band is not a very reliable indicator, but good to see to identify the tops. Okay, I'll have to remove something to add. What should I remove? So if you see Bollinger Band will keep expanding with price. So you cannot tell the top is made. Okay. Bollinger Band is good to understand the trend, but cryptos are very volatile, right? In one day, crypto changed the sentiment from yesterday somebody will be talking about 120 on Solana, tomorrow somebody will be talking about 180 on Solana, right? So cryptos are like that. See, 9 EMA is a magnet to the price. So both has to come together. That it will come here. Okay, 167, it will come. Hourly time frame. On hourly, with just see that this blue line is very important for every time frame. Okay. You can see on BTC, clear example. It crossed blue line, it jumped. Okay. Ethereum is still struggling. I don't know what is happening with Ethereum. It's not even crossed 44 EMA. 166.60. What is that 166.60? Hey, no problem. Okay, so let's wait. There could be another round of buying, or there could be like nothing happens. Retest. Retest was this level only, which is almost done. Okay, retest was this level 166.90. I open one at 167.57. It's okay. At this point of time, I can't say it's okay. If we cross blue line and start trading, I can say okay. Okay, because we are at a small top. Okay, this is a small top. See, from 165 to 167, it just happened in four candles, 1 hour. As of now, no movement will come. Okay, your bot telling to go along, trust him. I trust him. Okay, it's not that I'm not trusting, but it has to close above this. See, bot and human mix has to be designed right. Even I think that stream bot is also telling to go along now, right? The other stream also, the bot is telling to go along. Yeah, it is telling to go along. Up, see, the problem with that other stream is it it gives a good signal. I'm not saying it doesn't give a good signal, but here in buy immediately it said take profit. In entire selling, nowhere it is take profit. Why? Right? In entire selling, nowhere was a take profit. In buy immediate take profit. So that's the issue. Buy all signals are normally good, but you have to make your own profit takes. Yeah. So If the price consolidates here for 2 3 more candle and then goes up, it will be really good. I don't know, I still fear a selling. See, see, basically with Bitcoin surging to 106, we should have crossed 172 in Solana. Okay, at least we should have crossed 2550 in Ethereum. None of these levels are achieved. Only Bitcoin is surging. So it clearly rejected from its VWAP level. Now, further selling will come or not. We need to see whether these EMAs holds or not. Okay. On 5 minute to surely it would have been broken. Let's see on 5 minute. Not broken. Still there. Okay. So if market wants to go up, it will have to take support at this level. Okay. If it wants to go up, we will know in time. Yeah, we will know. If it wants to go up, it will go back. My liquidation is 144. Maybe I should just assume it will hit 180 again before then. 184 is a very safe liquidation. There is no problem with that. But before that, how much pain it will show or not, that's a question, right? Because obviously every 10, 15, 20 minutes you will check your position, you will see plus minus. When I do that, I always see minus 50. Don't worry, there has been day for me also when I didn't sleep. Yesterday also me and Raquel didn't sleep. We were having long position. We waited till 173 to come and close. Not trust this long signal. Okay. We could have easily sorted here. Now the problem is, I'll tell you the another problem. The problem is within this price you cannot trade. Here to here you cannot trade. That's another problem. Between these two price zone you cannot trade because chop 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 chop, right? Short was here at this point. Blue line exact was a top short. Yeah, stay out right now. See, if this comes back in this zone, there is no trade again. Then it has to break for this to trade. I was telling on the Telegram, right? Selling always fast. Here, no selling did not came only. So much time to sell. No, that's why bounced. All at the start of the stream only I said, right? I knew I closed it. At the start of the stream only I said I fear selling. Now back in that same zone of chop chop. This is full choppy zone. You cannot do anything. See, BTC is not falling. Ethereum is the first one to start fall. I sorted here, okay, and next candle it went up like this, hit my stop loss. Next candle, why don't we trade? We can trade BTC also, but you need to stick to one. You can trade anything, stick to one. It should be there. We should have sold, yeah. At live stream start only, we should have sold. So this run was a fake run. Okay. Now it's clearly defined. Okay, this was a fake run. No, no. There is no long. It's a clear trap. See, this is why I always repeat my statement. Bulls take stairs, bears comes by lift. In one candle, everything sold off. This candle should have stopped here, then we could have gone long. Okay, if this candle would have stopped here, it was a good long. Now, if this breaks, everything is gonna. It's a clear trap. And exactly what I said, it's a clear trap. The start of the stream, first thing that I fear selling. Exactly. Imagine if we did short. I really wanted to short. If we would have started stream 10 minutes ago, right? 10 minutes ago, if we would have started the stream, we would have definitely short. Because just we started only, we could not short. Wait, bro. This is a support zone. If the price remains in this, we will not do any trade. Okay. If it uh, if it stays here for a while, 2 3 candle and then break, we will sell. If it goes up, okay, and stays here and then go up, we will buy. Okay, so we have three things. Okay, it's not stopping. This is a support zone. Why it is a support zone? Because of this, you can see, right? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 times it has gone up down, then it went out. Okay, so this is a support zone. Now there are three things which are possible. One is the price will remain in this. There is no trade, you cannot do any trade because it's a very small range. Okay, it is just $1 range, right? What will you trade in this? You cannot trade. Second situation could be the price stays here for 2 3 candle and then again starts going down. It's a clear cut sell, just sell. Third situation is the price from here goes back here and stays here for 2 3 candle and starts going up. It's a clear buy. Cool, right? But we missed this selling. We definitely missed this selling. We would have sold on the top, the toppest level. And those who are holding longs, be careful. I still believe Sol will first go to 157, then go to 180. I will slightly shift this line down as per the new low. Okay, that's all. Cool. So between 165.57 to 166.70, there is no trade. $1, this gap is no trade. This is not a retest. It is a U-turn. From here you started and it is a U-turn. See, try and understand. Okay, very important thing. If the price wanted to go up, okay, so if the price wanted to go up, right, trust me, it would have broken all these lines and then gone up. It nowhere wants to go down up. Tell I'm chatting to a friend, that's all. See the 5 minute structure. No, it's not a on small charts. You don't check rounding bottoms and all. So here in 5 minutes, it looks like three candle. In 15 minutes, it would be only one candle, right? So if you go and see one candle from bottom to top. Now, if the price break, probably this was a retest. Okay, this is not called retest. Now, if the price breaks, probably this was a retest. Clear, right? You understand the retest pattern, right? The retest pattern has to. Now, if it is breaking, it's a sell. I found out that most of the time when I hit my SL, it always goes the same way it hit my SL. So if you want to take a very risky shot, okay, you can sort now also. It's a very risky shot, but stop loss will be this yellow line. So stop loss is very small. So your risk is small. Arey yaar, I didn't get the order only. It went down. Didn't get the order only. Sit. My price was 166.15. It went down immediate. No, I'm not in. I didn't got my order. I placed, but the price dropped. I won't trade now. No, I'm okay not to make trade. Okay. ठीक है. I can't think of a trade. I am on 166.19. For short. Okay. 166.19. Okay, that's where the price is. SL is this yellow line. That's all. No big SL. Why is it I'm placing an order and the price is falling immediately? I tried to place at 166.22. Again, it fell. It happens a lot. Selling is always fast. Bro, right now it has come out of the similarity. Okay. There used to be a similarity. We will talk about it. I'm also in the trade now, however, very late. My order thrice didn't go, three times. Fourth time, I placed market order and took. Yes, come on, baby. Now I set a SL at 160, so I cannot lose the money now. That's fine. Set an SL. Cool, cool, cool. Set an SL. Super. Come on. Just close the candle below it. Yes, close the candle below it. Come on. Close the candle below it. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Close it. Super. Okay. We are probably in a free fall mode now if we do not go back up to this level, which is, so everybody can put a stop loss at 166.30. 166.30 is a stop loss, and just see what happens. Or if you're getting some good profit, you can cash also, but I would not say to cash it out. So if my stop loss hit, I will lose $5, and if the trend continues, then we'll make a lot of money. I don't want to say what is possible, okay? Because this is a trap. So for all those people who went long, okay, their liquidation is $10 below, right? Lot of people went long, right? Their liquidation would be almost $10 below. So I would not comment on what is possible right now. This was a trap. Okay, just sit. Don't think about taking profit right now. Just sit. If we get 157, then you say I'm happy, okay? I am thinking a lot at this point of time. Forget that. Keep your stop loss in profit, okay? So that now you don't lose anything at least. Yes, keep your stop loss in profit. Imagine we would have sorted here, we would have been crazy like now by. See, my charts look complicated, I know, but these level helps me to decide my trade. Okay. Other places you will see very clean and neat chart. Perfect retest has happened in 15 minutes. Guys, just see this. Extreme perfect retest has happened here. One bar, retest, one bar. Nobody will think about booking profit right now. Okay. You can keep reducing your stop losses by 10-20 points, but don't think about making profit. See, in between one or two green candle will come. Don't panic, okay? Just telling you guys, in between one or two green candle will also come. Don't worry. Maybe after one more red, a green comes. The other bot also in the other live stream changed to short. That bot has also changed to short. You will see all this rejection happening. You will see green candle. Don't worry, we are going very, very down. Okay. Do not worry about anything. We are going very, very down. I wish Lucy would have been here. I would have at least told her that exit your position. I don't know how much. Just wait. Whenever you feel scared, reduce your stop loss by another 10 points. 0.10. Okay. If you feel scared, reduce your SL by 0.0. But don't close your position. See, every time price will stop in between so that 9 EMA comes closer to the price. Okay. 9 EMA needs to come close to the price, so it will stop somewhere in between. What was the day low today? 164.42. Day low, day low. 164.42 is a day low. हाँ, surely gonna break. हाँ, previous day low was 159. I'll tell you how much big fall I'm expecting. Stay on. It's okay if you lose profit, but there is an opportunity to make big money. Okay, it's okay. Learn how to ride a trade. See, I'm telling you, na, 9 EMA is a magnet. The price will always try to come back, then start falling. I'm in now. What is your stop loss? Because it's nearing stop loss, I guess. 2 out without loss. Okay, so you exited. 'Who all have the trade active? Who all are exited?' Please comment. You don't have, okay. Yeah, yeah. My stop loss got hit. My stop loss got hit. Where did you enter? What is your entry price? 165. You entered here at the bottom. Why did you enter here? This yellow line is the thing. If it crosses, it will move up. Don't enter in the middle of the trade like this. No, we'll see how the price behave on this line. Don't enter trade like this in between. Then there is no risk management, right? Trading is all about risk management. If it closes above this yellow line, just close then. If it closes above yellow line, then no. See, it's not about predicting how the price will move. It is about managing how small your stop loss is. If you enter here, the stop loss is so big. When we entered the trade, the price was here, right? The stop loss was only this much. Huh, you didn't put your stop loss. Huh, you need to put your stop loss. See, the price moved, I told na, put stop loss in profit. Slight profit stop loss. We were expecting big fall, it didn't came, but it doesn't mean we don't make any money in that, right? We need to make some money. Cool. That's okay. I think at one point of time it would have gone to 20 23 dollars, right? No, not as of now. It is a 90-degree rise, right? So it will cool down. Then, if it starts moving up, yes. For going long. Okay, cool. 166.46. If you're getting profit, book it. That's all I'll say. Ready. Wait for better entry. Yeah, it's moving so weird today. Cool. That day when you booked your loss, right, on me saying that okay, book it, that was a perfect move. If prices moves like this, nobody can trade, only bots can trade. Humans cannot trade like this. All this is interesting only, right? Market is going V shape. I'll just be back in a minute. No, I'm not in trade. How can you take a trade in this move? You cannot. It make no sense, right? You come one way down, then you go one way up. How will you take a trade? Yeah, it's a gambling. It is a pure gamble which is happening right now. It's not outperforming, bro. $4, 167 to 164, even not $3. In $3, it is chopping out people. That's all. Who went long, their stop loss hit. Who went short, their stop loss hit. Now, whomsoever has went long, let's see what happens. In $3 move, what will you say? Is it outperforming? No. Cool. There's a very risky long here. Okay. Move is dangerous, but we knew that above this blue line there is a risky long. Anybody has taken any long? There's a very matlab, there is no target. Only we know is a stop loss, which is here. Nothing else we know. I'm just watching. This is not comfortable to trade. Nobody can trade. Only machines can trade in fraction of seconds. By the time you will go and place an order, price will move. I didn't took much trade today. I was not confident anywhere to take trade. We took only one trade from here to here short. That's the price is moving faster than I can enter a price in the system. Yeah, we will see 200 in that case. I don't feel comfortable trading today. I think we should close. We'll trade some other day. Okay. This is crazy moment. Even your stop loss will not work. If you think that I'll take a stop loss and trade, your stop loss is not going to work because it will skip the price. So don't trade, okay? It's just gambling which is happening, and in this situation, stop losses will not work. Let's close the wrap up today, okay? We'll see tomorrow. We'll stay out for a while. You're asking me to stay. Acha, okay. Market will do lot of thing, but I cannot trade in this market. Okay, market is going to do lot of things now. But the issue is that I cannot trade in this market, and nobody can trade. And the biggest issue which I know because I have faced in the past, your stop loss don't work in this market. Okay, so if you will think I will take a $1 risk and go long, I will take $5 risk and go short, right? All that is not going to happen. Stop loss will not work. See, BTC is the king of all the coins. You never know all this way it comes to here. Then what will you do? Because it is the psychology of people, and it is a basically a pump from big institution. They are pumping it. They are pumping and dumping both. That's the problem. If they're just doing one thing, we can still trade. You got it right. If they are just doing one thing, we can still trade. Okay, they're pumping. We will also sit. We'll see the pump. But after pumping, they're dumping. See the pump. See the dump. Again pump. Next what? I don't know. Market doesn't move like this 90-degree. And that's getting confused every now and then. If it is telling long, it is going short. Yeah, short take profit is printed over there. See, even my signal is getting confused, right? It is telling go long, go short, go long, go short. It doesn't know even what to do. Cool. Closing the live stream now. Okay. Don't do anything. This is not the you will lose everything by the morning. Whatever you have in your account, you will have nothing in the morning. Cool guys. Chalo, see you. Let's let it settle. Then we will trade. There's always an opportunity, right? We have been trading for last 3 days. One day to skip is good. Let's skip it. Yeah, bro. Love you too. Chalo. See ya. Bye.